Welcome to the session on non-CGPA certificate courses. Stand Up and Startup India under Skill Indian Camp has changed India's mindset by directing our youth to become job creators, not job seekers. In this context, Loyola Academy has taken initiative to start various certificate courses in order to make its students more employable and skill oriented to have an edge over in this competitive world. It began in the year 2016 with 28 courses. Over a period of time, to cater the needs of students, it has grown leaps and bounds. As a result, in this academic year, we are proud to offer 40 certificate courses so that students can choose a course according to their competence from an era of courses. Yeah, moving on to the second point, we have a general guidelines on certificate courses. Total number of hours allotted for non-CGPA certificate courses is 30 hours. According to CBS, a minimum of 2 certificate courses are mandatory for students to get their degree awarded. The classes will begin for the certificate courses are conducted on 3 days of the week, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. As per Osmania University rules, students should possess a minimum of 75% of attendance to appear for non-certificate courses. If a student does not attain 75% of attendance, he or she will have to repeat the course by paying the fees again. In this issue, medical certificates are not entertained in any circumstances. To write the final exam, every student should clear 2 certificate courses. Moving on to the evaluation pattern, for this non-CGPA certificate courses, we have total marks will be 100 marks for this course, and out of this 100 marks, assignment will be the 25 marks and final exam will be the 75 marks. 25 plus 75 will be 100 marks. Minimum pass mark is 40%. And here also we have a range of marks are given for the grade point. For example, 85 to 100, there is O. O is nothing but outstanding performance. Second one, if you take second one, 70 to 84, that is A grade. Like that, we have a grades. The last list is 40 to 49, that is F, that is A. Minimum it should be 40% of marks every student should secure to get the certificate course. What is the importance or what is the benefits you have from the certificate courses? If you look at the screen the certificate courses helps the students to hone their skills. It provides them a better opportunity in the market. It would create future entrepreneurs and it also creates a trending career options in the present era. Last 2-3 years, we have 27 and 33 courses are there, the certificate courses. Now this year, we can say you that we have introduced new courses like Spanish language, Carnatic music, fundamentals of cost and management accounting, public speaking and soft skills, basic households and appliances, electric mobility charging system, digital, electronic and solar, robotics and artificial intelligence, data visualization with Tableau, recent trends in corporate HRM, media presentation skills, mushroom cultivation practices. These all are the new courses which are offering this academic year. I hope all the students can enjoy by learning this certificate courses. And these courses are trained by the very expert trainers from various reputed organizations. Some are from our internal faculty and some are external faculty. External faculties are trained the certificate courses from various reputation organizations. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving us a brief insight on the non-CGPA compulsory certificate courses. I will now share with you the details of each course. Ethical hacking. The objective of this course is to make the students learn various concepts of ethical hacking and explain how one can use them in real-time environment. The outcome of this course will be that the student will be able to gain the skills and make a career as an ethical hacker. Art and craft. This course demonstrates an understanding of the way artists' work reflect their perceptions of real and imaginary world. The outcome of this course will be that the students will be able to demonstrate achievements like explore the elements of visual arts to create images from the environment and respond positively to their own artwork and that of others. Web designing and programming. The objective is to be able to develop dynamic web pages using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The outcome of this program would be that the students would be able to gain the skills needed for entry into web page development career. R programming. The objective is to learn the statistical programming language R and to use it to manipulate data, to reshape data to support different analysis and to explore data from a variety of sources by building inferential models, generating charts, graphs, and other data representations. The outcome is to understand data structure in R and master the various statistical concepts using R and gain an in-depth knowledge of the various data analytics techniques in R. Arduino technology. The objective is to acquire basic knowledge on sensors and its interface with hardware. The outcome is developing a working model using Arduino technology. Visual effects. This course covers an introduction to the visual effects for feature films, video games, and commercial ads. It includes the interface and shortcuts with the pipeline of workflow. The outcome of this course is that the student will have a clear structure about the working procedure, step-by-step work handling techniques with basics of Photoshop and few concepts of composting. Technology of fermented foods and beverages. The objective is to understand the principles of food fermentation technology, to study the production of various fermented foods. The outcome of this course is that the student will gain knowledge on different fermented food products and beverages. Organizational behavior. The objective is to identify specific steps taken by managers to motivate the employees. It renders different concepts relating to management of conflict, change, time, and stress. A basic knowledge of key approaches and models relating to organizational behavior. Understand ways of work and respond effectively and finding ways for controlling human behavior. The outcome of this course is to integrate the study of management principles and practices with the study of human behavior within an organization. The focus will be upon translation of management and organizational behavior theory to practices that result in organizational effectiveness, efficiency, and human resource development. The primary goal of this course is to prepare students for advanced leadership roles in modern organizations. Balanced nutrition, weight loss, and disease management. The objective is to encourage people to try, buy, and eat healthy foods willingly, to learn the epidemic of obesity and adverse effects of the most prevailing disease, malnutrition, in our country, to identify the causes, effects, and control measures of nutrition-related diseases and conditions, to know the importance of proper preservation and preparation of edibles in achieving good nutrition. The outcome: it improves the social, psychological, and behavioral changes in a person towards consuming balanced food. Change in intrapersonal determinants of practices, knowledge, and attitude. Increases awareness of the consequences of staying hungry, ways to prevent food poisoning. Gives clear knowledge and methods to prepare and eat right food at the right time. Karate. The course is designed to introduce the student to basic principles of traditional Japanese karate, including etiquette, stances, strikes, kicks, blocks, and self-defense. The student will also develop a basic understanding of assault and domestic violence and their causes. Therefore, focuses on the strength and conditioning principles necessary for safe and successful development and execution of karate techniques. The outcome improves physical fitness and core strength to adequately support one's ability to protect oneself if attacked at the time of conflict. Be an active and willing participant with a good attitude. Identify and explain the principles of attack points on the human body. Develops basic understanding of assault and why it occurs. Calligraphy. Calligraphy is a visual language which connects the writer and the reader, to teach us that each letter and symbol is a design in itself and it converts simple words or sentences into picture-stylized letters. Introduction of basic strokes with the different tools and instruments to design beautiful letters, different fonts like Roman, Gothic, Italic, Old English, and many more. The outcome is that it helps exploring creativity. Students will acquire the skill of holding different types of tools and how to use them with basic strokes, which will help them to write for project works, greeting cards, wedding invitations, certificate writings, logo designing, and beautiful writing in general. Entrepreneurship. The objective is to enlighten people on the various facts of being an entrepreneur and to develop its various traits. The outcome is to learn to develop and execute new business ideas and achieve your goals and dreams smoothly. Certified course in Dance Level 1. The objective is to acquire subject-specific and generic transferable skills in line with the performance degree courses to gain a broad critical, analytical, contextual, and physical understanding, to increase mental and physical health through various activities like fitness, exercise, warm-ups, cool-downs, creative activities of dance performance. The outcome of this course is that it provides students with an inspirational, creative, and educational experience in the art of dance and choreography, enables students to be well prepared to contribute to the creative economy at a professional level as dancers, international trainers, choreographers, and creative thinkers. Stenography. The main objective of stenography is to record oral dictation or discourse for compact, meaningful, comprehensive, and to-the-point expression. Learning this language will help to handle all confidential matters in government sectors. The outcome of this course is that the student will be able to write small English passages or sentences in shorthand or coding language within a fraction of a second. Digital marketing. The objective is to become search engine optimization experts by developing skills to improve search engine rankings, increase website traffic, and optimize for targeted keywords. Helps business and organization connect with the customers through online to reach the correct demographic and in turn increase the returns on your investment. The outcome of this course is that the student will learn the fundamentals of CEO and master the tools and techniques to qualify as a CEO specialist. They will also learn many things about internet marketing, social media strategy, and others. Will also be in a position to create a Google ad, Words account, ad campaign, optimize keywords for campaigns, write effective ads for campaigns, analyze and report campaigns, performance, manage bidding and budgets. French language. It is an introductory course in French and focuses on question formation and vocabulary development. Students will be introduced to the basics of French pronunciation and the various special characters involved. Primary focus will be on the style of conversation and useful expressions in day-to-day life. The outcome of this course is that the students will be able to introduce themselves, describe their likes and dislikes, learn to count, ask and tell time, and have basic conversations involving daily situations in French language. Mobile repair technology. The objective of this course is to help diagnose problems and repair the faulty module of the smartphone. The student will learn to rectify faults in the smartphone and perform front-end hardware-level repair as required. They resolve software issues and ensure effective functioning of the device. The outcome of this course is that the student will learn how to interact with customers and understand their requirements or problems faced with the smartphone. Organic farming. The objective is to impart knowledge on principles and practices of organic farming and its impact on indiscriminate usage of chemicals, to impact knowledge on preparation of biofertilizers and botanical pesticides. The outcome of this course is that the students will be able to gain knowledge on importance and various concepts of organic farming. Theatre arts. The object is to open the doors of theatre to all the beginners by developing mind, voice, and the body of an actor, to understand the need of training in an actor's body to be a complete actor. The outcome of this course helps one understand where they stand in the terms of acting and theatrical presence. An interest would be triggered among the students to continue theatre and take it up as a profession. Transformation of students into trained actors. Carnatic music or vocal. Carnatic music is an art form that has originated in South India. The objective of this course is to give the students an insight into what a beginner would learn as they start their journey into Carnatic music. Outcome: a student of this course would get to explore basics of vocals associated with Carnatic music. Fundamentals of Cost and Management Accounting. This course potential is recognized by the industries both in service and the manufacturing sector. The outcome: this course aims to strengthen candidates' 4 pillars of knowledge, that is, strategy, management, regulatory framework, and financial reporting. Visual Designing Course Objective. This course is designed to introduce students to the world of visual design and training them to become professionals in the field. Outcome: students gain a sound knowledge of visual designing. They would be capable to improve a design or product's aesthetic appeal and usability with suitable images, typography, space, layouts, and color. Yoga Objective: yoga education helps in self-discipline and self-control, leading to immense amount of awareness, concentration, and higher level of consciousness. Outcome: it prepares the students physically and mentally for the integration of their physical, mental, and spiritual faculties so that the students can become healthier, saner, and more integrated members of the society and of the nation. Robotics and Artificial Intelligence. The objective of this course is to understand the concept of artificial intelligence, to acquaint with the fundamentals of mobile robotics, and to develop a mind to solve real-world problems unconventionally with optimality. The outcome: the student will be able to design a smart system using different approaches, explain with the fundamentals of robotics, and to describe robotics in practice. Public Speaking and Soft Skills. The objective of this course is to establish rapport with your audience, provide techniques to reduce nervousness and fear. The outcome is to understand your strengths as a presenter and how to appeal to different types of people. It recognizes how visual aids can create impact and attention, and to develop techniques to create a professional presence. Python Programming. Objective: to acquire programming skills in core Python, to acquire object-oriented skills, to develop the skill of designing graphical user interfaces, and to develop the ability to write database applications. The outcome is that the student would be capable to model a real-world problems in Python and solve them, build projects in Python, understand all the foundations of Python and how to apply them. Digital Electronic and Solar Energy. The objective of this program is to impart industrial exposure to students pursuing from any qualification. This training is given as per the requirement of industries. Outcome: after this training program, the trainees can work directly in any electrical and electronic industries in the area of technicians, production, service and maintenance, R&D, quality control, and technical marketing of home appliance. Spanish Language. Objective: this is an introductory course in Spanish language that will primarily focus on the style of conversation, communication, numeracy, etc. Outcome: the students will learn the basic grammar and sentence formation in this language. Students will also be able to communicate effectively. Electric Mobility and Charging Stations. The main aim of this program is to impart industrial exposure to the student pursuing from any qualification. This training is given as per the requirement of industries. Outcome: after this training program, trainees can work directly in any electronic industries in the area of technical stores, productions, service and maintenance, R&D, quality control, and technical marketing.